What's up, YouTube? What are we doing today, bro?
About to change the oil on a 2009 Subaru STi.
What's good, YouTube?
We're about to change the oil on a 2009 Subaru STi.
There we go. Let's get this going.
Alright, you're gonna need a 17 millimeter wrench or socket. It's up to you. I've already broke mine loose and drained the oil so that we can record and not splash the phone. And boom.
There we go. You guys want to be extremely careful on this part because you guys don't want to strip the thread.
You gotta change the whole oil pan.
Yep, and that would suck. So be careful.
Alright, now we're gonna tighten back the drain plug. This is how I like to do it, with a wrench, and then you lock two of them together. And 1, 2. Good amount of pressure. I truthfully don't know what torque specs they are, but a good amount to where you know it's not gonna come loose.
All right, so we need a 3/8 extension, ratchet,
and the oil cap socket.
If you guys don't have one, you guys could use your hands and
yeah, if you don't have one, you can use your hands, but sometimes they're overly tight. I personally like to break them loose with the wrench. Let them drip, let them drip.
Oh, there we go, guys. Hold up, let me get it right. So at this moment, you guys should let the oil drip until it's fully stopped.
All right, then you're gonna drop the filter entirely, and you look at your oil housing. One thing to make sure you do is make sure that the current oil filter that was on your car comes off with the gasket. You don't want double gaskets. Double gasket does not equal double seal. It equals more leaks.
More leaks, guys. You guys don't want more leaks. Fuck that.
You can always use Subaru Genuine stuff. As you can see here, we got Subaru Genuine filter, Subaru Genuine oil, Mobile 1 synthetic for the double overhead cam turbo engine. And it's all good. Everything's kosher. Rub it on the gasket. It just helps with the seal. Make sure, you know, everything's nice and tight and sealed up.
So what Vic did right now, he got a little dab of oil and he just rubbed it around the gasket.
Right here. Why is it so fat? All right, there we go.
There we go. Nice and tight.
So whenever you tighten your oil filter, you're always gonna go probably about hand tight, as much as you can go, just all the way hand tight. Then right after that, you're gonna get it. As you can see, we don't have the same tool. We use a different style filter, so it's a little bit bigger. But then you want to go maybe about 3/4 of a turn tighter, just so you know you get a good fit.
There we have it.
Now we're gonna do the final part of this little mini project, and we're gonna put some oil in. First, you gotta remove your oil cap, the oil fill cap, all the way off, right there, and let's dump it in.
Now, Vic, what is the ideal time to do an oil change after your drive, or?
Generally, there's not really a good time. I like to let my car sit for a while so you don't burn yourself with hot oil as it comes out. All right, guys, you're gonna use probably about 5 quarts, give or take. This is a 2.5 double overhead cam engine with a turbocharged, so it'll take about 5 quarts, but we'll show you how to check it to make sure. All right, so far we put 4 quarts in it. As you can see, it has this little half notch above. If you're pouring oil in before you start your car, you're gonna put it into this half notch. After you start your car, it should go down to the first notch. All right, guys, so now that we put 5 quarts in.
Want it about right there. Correct, bro?
Yes, sir.
All right, guys, so we're gonna start the car and let the oil run through a little bit. That way we can make sure that we have proper levels of oil.
So now that we've ran the vehicle for about 10 seconds, we want to check the oil and see that it's right at the full mark. And after that, we're done.
Hell yeah. If you guys are wondering, Victor is actually one of my good friends. He works with his dad at Wrightwood Auto in Wrightwood. Super dope place. They do some amazing work. Come check it out, guys. If you guys need any service, if you guys are in the area in the high desert, come through. They do some outstanding work. But other than that, like whenever we get the chance. You know, me and Vic, we always use the shop to work on my car. Tonight we're actually gonna install a new downpipe on my car. Right now I have a, I believe it's a nameless or a Grimspeed catted downpipe, and I'm gonna go from catted to NVIDIA catless downpipe. So I'm super excited for that, but stay tuned for that. We're actually gonna do that tonight, so stay tuned, guys. If you guys have been watching my videos so far, I greatly appreciate it. It's nothing too crazy, just a couple of DIY videos, super easy stuff. I know like you guys probably know how to do things already, but you know, I mean, it's the more information we have on the web for everybody to look at, more benefits we're gonna get in the community, you know. So I appreciate you guys. Thank you.